Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram profile link on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram, get in your profile. To go to your profile, tap here on profile icon and there at the top right tap on these three lines icon and here select QR code. Now to share your Instagram profile link, tap on that share button and here select WhatsApp and on that screen select the exact person you want to share your link with. You can select more than one person and once you're done just tap next and here tap send. Now your friend got a message with a link on your Instagram profile. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.